This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Yesterday, what we discussed about regarding for this data loading, right?
Data loading. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
We didn't do anything yesterday. We didn't do anything.
No, right? Okay. Suppose
We did nothing yesterday.
Yeah. Okay.
What's the topic? What's the topic today?
The topic is data import result.
Oh, data import
Result.
result.
Data import result. My domain creation. Okay. And data load. Okay. These three topics today I cover.
Okay. My domain.
By these three topics I explain. Okay.
Okay.
Before going to these our topics, let's discuss some small scenarios. Let's discuss about small scenarios. Okay. Initially, if you create any records by using manually, right? Using on manual. Am I correct?
Yes.
Means first enter the first name. Means test one. Student of regular, date of joining, date of birth, and departments. And also, if you enter these type of things, almost if you enter one record, let's example, if you take it on 1 minute time. 1 minute time, right? Because of this is a small application. This is a small application. So we have very less fields inside. Right now we have very less fields, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
All right, good. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Okay, fine. Yeah. If you go for this in real time, they have a lot of the fields is there. More than 20, 30 fields is there. More than 20, 30 fields is there in one object. Correct? So at the moment, you insert every time in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's taken a very huge time, right?
Yes.
It's taken very huge time. For example, we working on some insurance application. Okay, working on some insurance application, insurance project. Okay.
Okay.
Insurance project. Let's take a picture. This is previously this company, insurance company. Give me any insurance company, please. Any insurance company.
Universal.
Okay, let's.
XYZ.
Universal insurance company.
Insurance. Oh, that's all.
Insurance. Okay, universal insurance company. Okay. In universal insurance company, previously, which application is using on? Which application is using on Java application, for example. Java application.
Okay.
Okay. Right now they have skills is there. 1 second. Okay. And for example, this is some fields. Okay, as per our understanding purpose, we created on it. This, for example, this three fields is there. Means customer name, right? And for example, customer phone, and insurance number. Insurance number. Every insurance they have one policy number, right?
Yeah, policy number. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's take it for example. They have Shiva. Okay. This is phone number. And, this is insurance number. Okay. And investors, and this is a receivable number, and your policy number. Okay, they have a lot of they have some
Yeah.
fields is there.
Mhm.
Okay, some fields is there. Okay,
Yeah.
some fields is there. So at the moment, for example, it have 35,000 records is there. Sorry, 3,50,000. This is the 35,000 records is there. Insurance application. They have 35,000 records is there, right?
Yes.
For example, for example. So one day in a universal company, what decided that okay, if you work on the Java application, you maintain on the if you buy on the Java software and you can store the data means you can purchase on the you can store purchase on the Oracle database, right? And you maintain for the servers. Correct. This is very huge burden, right? Insurance
Yes.
company. So at the moment, in insurance company decided that so we buy for this Salesforce or Salesforce. We buy on the Salesforce. Okay. The Salesforce team, what they decided that okay, give me your data. I can design on this application. Design on the application. But already this application is half of the application is created. Correct. Already half of the application is created. Am I right? Already half of the application is created and working is also processed in real time. Also, some data is there. If we change on the data is missing. The data is missing, right? The data is mismatched, right? Am I right or wrong?
You mean in the Salesforce yet?
No, 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 no. Oh, right, understand. Right,
We still
understand.
in,
This is a one second. I will explain. Okay. This is the Salesforce application. This is what?
Salesforce.
Yeah, this is what Salesforce application. When the insurance company, buy the Salesforce licenses.
Yeah.
I already told you, no?
Yes.
If you work on a Salesforce, we buy on the licenses. Depends on
Yes.
licenses, we given for the storage space. These are all things. Security wise, all are the same. Security wise, all are the same. If you buy on the one BHK or 2 BHK, some cost is difference in 1 BHK 1 rate and 2 BHK 1 rate. But in both of the apartment, they given for the same security, same power, and same water facility, right?
Right.
Likewise, in Salesforce also, if you buy on the 100 users license, or if you buy on the 50 users license, if you buy on the 1000 users license, they given for this storage space is huge, but security features and remaining all the is same. Remaining all is same. So at the moment, what they decided that in insurance company to merge the okay. In Java application is very huge and the database and storage they have a very huge burden. At the moment they decide for the Salesforce to buy the Salesforce licenses. But half of the project is completed and data is also there. So the project is completed and data is also there. So what you decide that so client and remaining people decided that okay the insurance client the this is the insurance client. For example, this person is the insurance person and this person is a for example this contract given for this one company called Capgemini. Okay, Capgemini company they taken on the this project. For example, Capgemini company they taken for this example. They have this is a Capgemini people. This is the Capgemini people. to interact with this, to interact with client. What did in the client? What they decide that previously I'm using a Java application. They have that 35,000 records is there. I want to improve my application by using on Salesforce. Improve my application by using on Salesforce because of they have less amount and huge security, right? Huge security is there, and burden is also tough. Burden is also very less. At the moment, I want to design my application in Salesforce. Understand, Augustus, what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes.
So at the moment, Capgemini people what they said, okay, they are both are discusses these requirements, these things, these are the requirements. Okay, at the moment, how to transfer the 35,000 into Salesforce? 35,000 into the 35 records in Salesforce. If we entered on the manually means single one or single one, it taken work use months or years. If you enter the correct data or not, if you enter the correct data, okay. If you enter the wrong data, the data is mismatched, right? The data is
Yeah.
mismatched and data is also collapsed.
Yeah.
So at the moment, what they decide that the Capgemini people, why you go for this individually? They have created one application. Means if you click on the one single button, automatically in the 35,000 records will be merged to this our Salesforce organization. 35,000 records will be merged to this our Salesforce organization. At the moment, client people what they said, the Capgemini people required for in the 35,000 require in the 35,000 records will give you for this one CSV file. You to provide the CSV file in 35,000 records without changing the data. I can store the data in Salesforce application. I can store the data in Salesforce application. Clear? What is the requirement?
To store the 35,000 records from Universal Insurance into Salesforce.
Universally. Yes, Java application to Salesforce.
Okay.
Java application to Salesforce. So in the insurance company, what they said in the 35,000 records will be stored in one CSV file. One CSV file. You heard about that? What is a CSV file?
CSE?
CSV.
No.
CSV.
Oh,
This is the
CSV.
comma
Okay.
separate.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've heard of CSV.
CSV file means this is also called an Excel file, but the extension is a CSV means comma separated value.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. In the universal people given for the CSV file into 30,000 records. 35,000 records. By using on. So at the moment, what they said that okay, we go for this in programmatically. How to achieve on it? For example, if you go for the practically, whatever requirement, 35,000 records will be inserted. 35,000 records will be inserted. Before going to this production, means first of all we insert the dummy data, right? First of all, we insert the dummy data. Am I correct? Without going to this real-time data, first of all, we insert the dummy data. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
So at the moment, what they decided that, okay, first we insert some dummy data. Then next we insert on this real-time data. At the moment, people want they decided that, okay, first we go for this account object. We taken on one account object. First, I inserted on this account name only. How many 1,000 records? How they taken list of account. ACC is equal to list of account. But Augustus, don't worry about this. This is programming knowledge. Okay, this is the programming. This is what? Programming. Okay.
Okay.
So you don't bother about this is programming. Okay, just understanding about the concept. Just understand about the concept. Means I taken the account object in one list because of they how many records you fetching on it, they don't know. How many records you fetching on it, you can insert, you can delete, you can update. How many records you don't know. You don't know and I don't know. They all don't know. How many records we inserted, how many records are deleted, we don't know. At the moment what you saying is we go for this list. We go for the list means this is the collections, Apex collections. Lot of the data we can take on it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I taken one loop for loop integer is equal to 1 means integer value are taken. It means first record. One record is means for one record means one record. We insert the records, right? We insert the records. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
So first of all, I insert on 1000 records. If you taken on it, first record I inserted on it. First record I inserted on it. Okay. Means first record equal to 1. I is equal to record and the first record. So I less than 1000 means satisfied. I less than 1000 means satisfied, right?
Yeah.
Account A is equal to. In previously in Salesforce, how to store the data? Where can we store the data? Where can we store the data? In objects. Where can we store the data? In objects, right?
Yeah.
But right or wrong? Like
Yeah.
in programming also, if you go for this in programming knowledge also, if you store any data by using on first of all you create on the object. Creating on the object means this is a Salesforce object. Account is a Salesforce standard object is equal to by heart new account open brace and close brace means open bracket and close bracket means this is the object creation. Memory allocation, memory creation means this is the dummy memory. This is the dummy memory. Okay, let's assume that this is a dummy memory. In that dummy memory, we can insert the data. Okay, so data name is equal to Shiva plus 1. Okay, so ACC dot add of A insert A. See, in one account object we taken on the list collection. Why? Because of how many records you insert, how many records you deleted, we don't know. So at the moment we using on the list collection. In the list collection, how many records we inserted on it? 1000 records. We inserted on that, so not 1000 records. The 1000 not 2 records. 1000 not 2 records. Okay. As of our requirement, we insert on the 1000 not 2 records. I taken on dummy container. I taken on dummy memory. I insert the data. The data can be added in this collection. The data is added in this collection. In this collection, the data will be inserted. In this memory, in this collection, the data will be stored. Understood, Augustus?
Okay.
Okay, just click on the you seen this, click execute. If you send this execute, just click on the execute button. They have fetched because of 1000 or 2 records means, so they have stored. See, exception is there, na? Exception is there. What is exception? This is called exception. Means error.
Yeah. So there's an error. Okay.
Too many DML statements means. Here insert operation is there, na? Here insert operation you see not this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Insert A.
So you don't need
insert
that?
means no, not like that. Not like that. Just listen, okay? The insert, update, delete, these operations comes under to this DML operations. You have any knowledge regarding for the software means structured query language, Oracle or PLSQL?
No, I don't have
You have
a
any
strong
idea?
knowledge. No, I don't have a strong knowledge.
Okay. If you have not strong knowledge, minimum knowledge is required. If you have any minimal knowledge of SQL, this is the in the insert operation is very easy to understand. Okay, no issues because of you're not going for this in the development, right? So if you're only in administration part, after you going on this in any big company, then you go learn is very easy. Go to learn in very easy. Okay, no issues. So
Okay.
don't bother about this program. Okay, don't bother about this program. Why I'm showing this program means in Salesforce, this is the cloud computing, right? This is the cloud computing. For example, if you buy any one flat, they have the 10 flats in one apartment. The owner will given on the some restriction means daily using on this content of water means daily using on the 10 liters more water you only use it. Okay, only in your flat only using a 10 liters water, and all flats will be they given one strict the circular one circular is given. People please using the water in 10 liters only. 10 liters only. Okay, 10 liters only. Likewise, in Salesforce also, if you insert any records, only 150 records will be inserted. 150 records will be inserted. More than 150 records, it can't be acceptable. It can't be accepted in programming. It can't be accepted in programming. Understand?
Only 150, only 150 records?
Yes. Yes, only 150 records. But to overcome on this, why? Because of in any real-time application, we given has the data has the millions of records is there, right?
Yeah.
Millions of records is there. So at the moment, how to achieve on this? We go for these two topics. One is a data import wizard, and second one is a data loader. One is a data import wizard, and second one is a data loader. Okay. First, we discuss about the data import wizard. Data import wizard. It is a importing tool to insert or update the data. Okay. And we have only up to 50,000 records can be inserted at a time. Understood, Augustus?
Yes.
Because of in the data import wizard tool will be up to 50,000 records only it can be inserted in the Salesforce organization. Okay, 50,000 records only it can be inserted. First of all, how to insert the 50,000 records? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Clear our requirement? What is this? Our requirement. What is our requirement? You understand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But before going to this insertion, I need to create the my domain. I need to create the my domain. Why my domain means I erased on this this painting. Okay.
Okay. So what you're saying is before you do any data importing or using the data import wizard, you need to start with my domain.
No. No, I want to insert some packages. I want to insert some 3D some application. I want to insert some application. I want to insert some application into this in our Salesforce organization. No, first of all, you understand why my domain is required. First of all, you understand why my domain is required. Okay, why my domain is required. First of all, you understand. Okay.
Okay.
See, you see on this. One second. You understand what is this thing? My domain is sort like a creating your own empire. Creating like your own empire means this is the Salesforce organization. This is the Salesforce organization. Okay, you buy on this space. You buy on this space, right?
Yeah.
I buy on this space. I buy on this space. This is Augustus. Okay. This one is Shiva. Okay. One of my relative came. For example, not the Salesforce. They are taken for this apartment. Okay. They taken for this apartment. Okay. Both are in same. Both apartments are in same, right? Both apartments are in same. Correct?
Yes.
So at the moment, how to identify on it? How to identify on it on which flat you were, on which flat on me? Which flat you were and which flat on me? They given for this flat number, right? They given a flat number. Am I right?
Yes. You have to have a flat number to identify the flat.
Number. Identify, right? So right now, in the what is this thing? This is what extension, right?
Yeah.
URL extension, HTTPS. And in the AP16 means what is this? You know that now. AP16. I already told you. In second class, I already told you now. Server instance. Server instance. They have the 4 regions is there. One, NA means North America. Second one, North America, EU, Europe, Asian Pacific region, and CS means sandboxes. Okay, the AP means Asian Pacific region. AP16 means AP16 region, and I using a 16 server instance. 16 server instance. Understood?
Okay.
So in that AP16 they have 100 users. 100 users working on it. 100 users working on it. Okay. 100 users working on it. At the moment, on which one you can log, on which one is the Augustus, and which one Shiva domain, which one is, and which server instance is the Shivas, and which instance is the Augustus. You can identify on it. You can identify on it. No, right?
Yes.
So at the moment, my domain is required. My domain is required. Okay. See, just definition, just understand the definition. Means my domain is short of creating your own empire. Means creating your own organization. Create your own organization means if you mention the in the AP16 region, the mention of the AP16 region. If you mention on the AP16 means it will do STS Augustus dot Salesforce.com. Once it's Augustus. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, okay. See, the AP16 just replace to this your name or your company name, your organization name. It can easily to identify on this. This is the Augustus. This is the Augustus service instance. This is the Wipro service instance. This is the Samsung service instance. This is the universal insurance service instance. It can be easily identified on it, right?
Yes.
So at the moment we're using on the my domain. The moment we're using on the my domain means creating your own empire, creating your own instance, creating your own instance. It can be easily to identify. It can easily identify. See, Salesforce identity feature. Let's say personalize your Salesforce org. Identity feature. Let's just personalize your Salesforce org. This is your org, your personal org, right? Is that clear?
That's clear.
That's good. So, why my domain is required? You understood, right?
Yeah.
And one more thing, you remember one more thing. Yes.
Okay, but this is just why you need to set it up, right? This is just the definition.
Yeah, this is just definition. But one more thing you remember on it. Okay. Previous right now we're working on classic, right? This is a
Yes.
classic.
Yes.
Right. If you go for this lightning experience, any lightning experience, okay, you write any programs, lightning programs, like has in say Apex, lightning has in lightning programs. Without my domain, we can't work on it. Without my domain, we can't work on it. Clear?
Okay.
Without using my domain, okay, we can't work on it. So, what you do?
You create my domain.
My domain. So, how to create on it? Let's see. Again, I go for this Salesforce Classic. Again, I go for the Salesforce Classic. How to create on it? One second. Okay. setup. See, setup. Okay. In quick find search bar, just type on the my domain. Sorry, my space domain. Okay, my space domain. You see on this?
Mhm.
Just click on it. Just click on it. Here you enter the domain name, means your name or your organization name or any name. I type on this Augustus USTS. Okay. I type on the Augustus. Check availability. Okay, available is there. If you previously any person is using, it can't show in the available. Okay, if you show in the available, but it can't be registered. Okay, register your domain, you will receive the email when it ready for testing. Means my domain is created. My domain is created. This is our domain. This is our domain. Once registration is completed, then you show. Then you see this URL is changed. When you see this URL is changed. Okay. It's take time to 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Let's check on it. Our email address. Once my domain is completed, once my domain registration is completed, automatically you got the one mail. Clear, Augustus?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you gotta wait for it to go to the next one.
Sorry.
You gotta wait for it to move to, because it's saying it's pending.
Yeah, pending. Just give me 2 minutes time. It's more than 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 to 3 minutes. Before going to this, I opened my Salesforce org. I log into this my org. Okay. You see that color?
Mm-hmm.
Just a moment. I entered on it. check it's completed or not. Okay, my domain registration is completed. Okay, just your domain is ready. Log in, log out. Just log in. I log in into this org. Here you identify on it. You see on this one, Augustus.
Yeah.
Means here change on the AP6 name to Augustus. Means your domain is created. Means your domain is created. Right?
Yeah.
So then deploy the users. Means how many users are there? You
Okay. How do
created
you
your
test it?
domain. Yeah, just a moment. Just a moment. Already testing is completed, na?
Okay.
Already testing is completed. Okay. See, initially AP16 is there, server is there. Now Augustus name domain is created. Augustus domain is created. Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I log it on. I log out my off. Just see. And I want to log out I log out. See here, which color is showing? Which color is showing? White color, right?
Yes.
White color. And our Salesforce logo is there. But in my, you see which color it is?
Green.
Green. If you want to change this one, white to green, is this possible?
Yeah.
So how to do this? Let's see. Let's see how to achieve on it. Go again, go for the our org. Just wait, or my domain is created now. First time it's taken some late. Okay.
Okay.
After onwards, it can be easily to log in on it. See, our org is opened. See, our org name is Augustus -dev -ed _mysalesforce.com.
Where are you saying that? I can't see it.
See,
I can't see it on the screen.
see this one,
Okay.
this one. The URL bar is not maximize. You see on Augustus. This one.
Okay. My.salesforce.com. Yeah. Okay, I think
Yeah.
on my side it's all
Here,
dark. It's all, but it's okay. I think I seen
yeah,
everything.
this is okay. I copy on it. I open in them. Let's see.
Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, I've
Increase
seen
the
it.
font. Increase the font also. You see this one, Augustus. Initially,
Yeah.
AP16 is there. Now, Augustus -dev means this is your own development org. This is your
Okay.
own domain.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Oh, next, I install one package. Okay.
Okay.
One application, third-party application. See, if you install in this application, third-party application means App Exchange application. First of all, you sign up into the developer edition. If you install any application, App Exchange application, you have heard about the App Exchange application.
Say that again. No, please say that again. Is
App
this
Exchange.
is this an Apex application?
Yeah, App Exchange.
Oh, okay. It's from App Exchange. Okay. You gotta go to App Exchange to get it.
Yeah, App Exchange means
Okay.
it looks like our Android mobile in the Play Store. The
Okay.
Play Store they have all Android application. In App
Correct.
Exchange have all the Salesforce application you buy or some free applications is there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the name of this package? It's called the Dream House or Dream Invest.
Dream Invest. Dream Invest.
Okay.
Invest. This is a small application for practice purpose
Okay.
only. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Just click to install. Just click to this link is there. Just click on this. Without my domain, we can't install the App Exchange application. Without my domain, we can't install the App Exchange application. Okay.
Okay.
They have three. Okay. They have the three specific users is there. One, install for admins only means who have the admin profile, it can be accessible. Okay. Means only accessible. Install all users means in our organization how many users, 100 users is there, 1000 users is there, all 1000 users also this application is accessible. Okay. Or otherwise this is the some specific profiles means principal profile or the dean profile or HOD profiles only, the specific profiles only accessible on this this specific application. Right now I install all users means it have 100 users, it can have 100 users also, it can be accessible. Okay. I using to install on all users. Okay.
Okay. Let me ask
Just
you though, before we go on
sure.
here. Um,
Okay.
on the project of the insurance company in merging the records into
Yeah.
Salesforce system, on that
Okay.
project, before I do anything, I need to install the domain name first before I do any data import.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And then after setting up the domain, my domain, then I need to install this package. I'm just trying to follow.
Yes.
Okay. Then after installing the package, what's the next thing,
Okay.
sir?
I already tell you now. Wait. First install this application. This is the why I installing this application by using on in the data import example. I given for this data import example. This example purpose only I install one application.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Just
So even
install
if I
for
want
all
to,
users.
if I want to install for 50,000 records, I can still use Dream Invest.
No. This
Okay.
is
What's
the
the limit?
application name. This is the application name. This is the application name. If you
Yeah.
insert the 50,000 records, we using on data import wizard. Data import wizard. How can we insert the 50,000 records? I will show you. Just wait.
Oh, okay. We'll come to data import. Okay. Okay. All right.
I install only one application. Looks like has a education management. Education management has one application, right?
Yeah.
They have these fields. See these objects. They have these objects, right?
Yes.
Likewise, in Dream Investment also one application, small application for the data import wizard example purpose only.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Install for all users. Install all grant users to third-party websites. Yes. Just a moment. It is installing. Okay. Installation completed. Installation completed. Click on the done. Click on the done. Just wait. Application is open. See, our Dream Investment application is created. Package is installed.
Okay.
Okay. If you see, go for this lightning experience. Go for this all applications. Go for this all applications. You see on it Dream Investment app.
Yes.
Just click on it. See, this is the application name and these are the tabs. These are the tabs. You see on this one?
Yeah.
These all are the tabs. You click on this anyone. We don't have any data, right? We don't have any data.
Yeah.
Right now, no data is there. In sectors, funds, they have no data. So initially, I download the sectors data. I already download the sectors data. So if you want to go for this Salesforce Dream Invest GitHub, okay, this is the URL. This is the URL. Okay, clear? Ashes.
Yeah.
So how to import the data in sector object? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Go for the setup. Go for the setup. This is a Lightning Quick Find search bar. Lightning Quick Find search bar. See on this. Lightning Quick Find search bar. Okay. Just type on the data import. You seen on this one data import wizard.
Yeah.
Now just click on it. Just click on it.
Yeah.
Here data import wizard user interface. This is the data import wizard user interface. Here you find on the launch wizard. You find on the launch wizard. Just click on it. Just click on it. Okay. And one more thing you noted on it. One more thing you noted on it. In data import wizard, data import wizard. Okay. Standard objects have all standard objects are not visible. Okay. All standard objects are not visible. Okay. Some specific standard objects is there. One is the accounts and contacts. Okay. Leads. Solutions. And one is, I think, campaign members.
Those are the other standard objects that are visible.
Yeah, only these 4 standard objects are available.
Accounts and
Rest of the all
contacts,
standard
leads,
objects are not
solutions,
available.
and campaign.
And campaign members.
Campaign members. Oh, okay. But custom objects are visible.
Yeah, in any all custom objects are available. All custom objects. If you created 100 custom objects, 100 custom objects also, it can be available. It can be available.
But,
Right now, we insert the sectors
accounts,
data.
leads, campaign members.
Yeah. Okay, right. Now I want to insert the sectors data. Okay. How to achieve on it? Just click on the sectors. You want to insert the new record or update existing records?
Uh,
I want to insert new records, right?
New records. Yeah. Are we putting new
Just
records?
click on the new records.
New records from,
Sorry?
okay, yeah, okay. New
Here
records.
yes, you have in this data loader we're using on the CSV files. You need for the CSV files, comma separated values, comma separated values. Just where the in the CSV file is there, just drag and drop. Here sectors is there. Just drag and drop. Just a moment, 1 second. Just drag and drop on it. Drag and drop on it.
You drag it. Okay, you gotta go to your either desktop or documents to drag it and drop on
where
that
the
space. Okay.
yes, matching on the all the fields means this is the Salesforce object and this is the CSV header means CSV files. CSV files. Okay. Okay. Just click on the next. Here you find on the start import. Here you find on the start import. You seen on this. Just click on the hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Just click on the start import. Click on OK. Here you find on the what is the status. What is the status means. Here you inserted on how many records? 41 records. Inserted on 41 records. Okay. Failed batches means failed records. They have no failed records. They have no failed records.
Okay.
See, any failed records is there? No, right?
No, zero.
Zero. Okay. Let's see. Go for this our application. For our application, sectors. Click on all. See, our records is there now. 41 records.
This is all the 41 records.
Yes.
Oh, okay. This is under the Dream Invest. Okay.
Yeah. This is called as this is the process of the data import wizard. This is the process of the data import wizard. Clear, Augustus?
Okay. So what is the process here? Where do you, okay. Compared to the insurance process.
Don't go for this insurance and process, okay? As of our understanding purpose only, I taken for this insurance, okay? If you want to insert the 50,000 records at a time by using on data import wizard, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
But
But as of our
you need to have domain. You have to create your domain, my domain first before you do data import, or you don't need to.
no data import wizard, no domain name is not required. Data import wizard domain name is not required, but my domain is required for the first of all, if you install any third party applications or app exchange applications, we need for the my domain. First point.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
And second point, if you work on any lightning, if you work on the lightning programs, we need for the my domain. We need for my domain. Okay.
If you work on Lightning, but for Classic, you don't need my domain.
Yeah, no need. Okay.
Okay.
So you understand how to import the 50,000 records in data import wizard.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let's discuss about the data loader. Why data loader means, as of our requirement, I want to insert 1 lakh records. I want to insert the 1 lakh records. In 1 lakh records, in the data import wizard is suitable for this.
Okay. Hold on. For data import, is 50,000 the max, or you can do 50,000, another
50,000
50,000? Okay, you can do
How to
several
import
times.
it? Yes,
Several
no.
50,000s.
No,
Or-
no. Why you go for the several times? They have another tool is there. Data loader tool is there. If you use on the data loader tool, up to data loader tool, you can insert the records up to 5 million. 5 million
Okay.
records. Okay. Up to 5 million records we can insert on it.
Okay.
Up to 5 million records.
Okay.
Okay. How to achieve on it? Let's see. Again, I go for the lightning. Classic. Okay. Let's do classic.
Why do you flip back and forth? Why do you use data loader classic and
Data loader means data loader we using on data loader, not the data loader. In import wizard and data loader, both of them working on in both classic and lightning.
both of them?
Both
Okay,
classic and
so
lightning.
it doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
both of them working. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see how to. First of all, if you want to work on the data loader, initially you need to download and install the data loader. You need to download and install the data loader. How to download on it? Let's see in the setup menu. But in import wizard, no need to install on it. By default, in Salesforce application we have on it. By default, Salesforce application we have the data import wizard. But if you work on the data loader, we need to install on it. Okay. In quick find search bar, data. You see on this one, data loader.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just click on it. Here, which operating system you work on it, you can download on it. You can download. Okay.
Okay. So you pick the one. Okay.
You pick anyone. Download the data loader for Windows. Okay. Just click on it.
Yeah.
Automatically zip file will be downloaded. But I don't want to download on it because of I already download and install on it. Okay. I already download and install on it. If you extract the download file, if you extract on the this file, they have one link is there. See, this is what data loader application I already install on it. This symbol is there. This symbol is there. just click on it. Next, save.
Okay.
Next.
All right. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
fine. So you know about the how to download, how to install.
Correct.
Clear?
Yes.
Next, how to work on it. How to work on it. Just go. Just see. Just type on the data loader. Okay. This is a command prompt. Just install on it. Here, data loader user interface. This is the user interface. Before you enter any data, okay, first you log in into the data loader. You log in into the data loader.
Where do you log into it? Is it through setup or you have to go into your
No. Don't go for this. If you click any one button, if you click on insert button, see they have the login screen is there, na?
Okay, yeah, but this data loader is not going to be in your setup. It's going to be in your desktop.
In your desktop, not is there. If you just go and type on the data loader, just click on it, automatically this UI will be there. This application will be open. If you click on the update, okay, if you click on the update, or if you click on the upset, or any button you click on it, automatically login screen will be there. Automatically login screen will be there.
In your Salesforce org.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's what I wanted.
So how to insert on it? How to? Yes.
Go ahead, please.
Okay. Just insert a button. It have two options is there. You see on this OAuth and password authentication.
Yeah.
OAuth and password authentication. In the OAuth option is available for this out of the Salesforce. Out of the Salesforce means SAP or Java application we're using on it. Then we go for this OAuth option. If you go for this password authentication, we're using on the Salesforce login credentials. Clear, Augustus?
Okay, yes. So the other one is authorization. There is for Salesforce developers.
Which one? This one.
Yeah.
This one out of the Salesforce. Out of the Salesforce means SAP applications or Java applications or .NET applications. That application we can use using on the out. This password authentication means this is a Salesforce authentication.
Okay, all right.
Salesforce authentication.
Okay, so we stay with the second one.
Okay, fine. Just see, I log in into this our application. Okay, this is our user ID, and I enter on the password. See, what can it for it or verifying the Salesforce username and password, but it can't be login. But it can't be login. What happened? Do you have any idea?
Username. Okay, is it Salesforce URL? Is that?
No,
This one
not
says,
URL.
Is this AP?
No,
I don't
URL.
know. I don't know what.
I will explain. Just cool, Augustus, cool. I already in previous second class, as I was starting second class, I told one thing. I explained one thing. You heard about the security token? You have heard about the security token. What is the purpose of security token?
Yeah, you said so that you would need a security token if you use a different computer, a different
IP
computer. Yeah,
address.
yes, a different computer
IP
that has
address.
IP. Yeah.
So present you need for the security token means we don't know, this data loader is don't know this is a secured IP or not. Don't know, right?
No.
So at the moment what they said, therefore they got the security token. Okay, security token will be sent on this email address. Which email address is provided on this username? That one we go on it. Just check on it. Just refresh. Okay. Just refresh. Okay. See, this is a security token. You seen this one? You seen this mail? 1 second. That is very slow. I already inserted. Sectors import is completed. Created 41 files. Updated 0, ignored 0, failed 0, and rejected 0. Means data is created, right? Data is created. 41 records will be created. Got it?
Yes.
On which domain it can be accessed, it can be inserted. It can also they given the URL also. Clear, Aristus?
Okay. Yeah. This is from your email. This is from your email, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Not my email. If you given in the what given on this in your Salesforce organization, your company email address or your personal email address, if you modify anything else, if you change anything else, automatically you get email.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. This security token is very case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive means if you change any one word, if this is the capital V, if you enter on the small v, it can't be accepted. It can't be accepted. And this is the username. This is the username, and I enter the password as along with security token. Password along with security token. Just click on the login. Login successful, na? Login is successful, right?
Yes.
Just click on the next. Here you find on the object. Here you find on the objects. Clear?
Yes.
But in data loader also only some specific standard objects will be workable. Rest of the all custom objects are available. Rest of all custom objects are available. Okay. Clear, Augustus?
Yes. That's the
Okay.
the 4 contacts.
Yeah. Yes.
Contact.
Initially, first of all, go for this in accounts. Go for this in accounts. Means are using on this accounts. All accounts go. How many accounts is there? Just wait. Here only 22 accounts is there. See, 22 records is there. In account object have how many records? 22.
Yes.
Okay. See how to insert on it. Just choose the object. Just choose the object. I already created one CSV file. Just browse. In account object, just click on it. This is the account CSV file is there. Next. Initializing is there. Okay. In the In the CSV file have how many records? 18 records. The CSV file have 18 records. Click on OK. You can map the records. You can map the records means this is what CSV fields. I will show you. You see this one, name, rating, phone, industry and type.
Mhm.
So this is called as the field values. This is the fields. These are the records.
Record.
These are the records. Okay. See, mapping with here auto matching fields to the columns means in the industry have industry, in the phone have phone, in the name have name, in the rating have rating, in the type have type. They are automatically matched. Otherwise, if you any some new fields or new values is there, you can drag and drop it. You can drag and drop it. Okay, they have only all the field values is matched on it. All the field values is matched on it. Just remember one thing. Just remember one thing. This one is the this column is contains Salesforce objects. This column contains CSV file objects, CSV file fields. Understood?
The second column you say is
Second,
Salesforce objects or Salesforce fields?
Salesforce. In the first column contains CSV fields. This one.
Fields. Okay, on the top, correct.
And
All
the
right.
second column contains Salesforce fields. Salesforce fields.
Those are sales. Okay.
Okay, click on OK. Next means you find this the directory means you process one thing means you process the insert operation, right? You process an insert
Correct.
operation, correct?
Yeah, that's what you
But
did.
in that
Yeah.
process, yes, in that process is the failure or successful. The process, if you perform 100 or 1000 records, some of the records is not inserted. Some of the records is not inserted. Okay, means they have the if you insert another 1000 records, some 700 records is inserted, 300 records is not inserted. 300 records is not inserted. Okay, so at the moment, how to identify on it? Every record you check on it. Every record you check on it. This is very
Yeah.
tough, right?
Yes.
So at the moment, what they said that before going to this finish, they're providing one directory means they're providing one directory, that is if you perform the operation either success or failure, they given one CSV file. They given the one CSV file, that is the success or failure. Records will be there. Okay. This
Okay.
is the directory. Just click on the finished. Just click on this. Bulk operation is generated. Here you see on this, the operation are fully completed. They have six successfully inserted and 12 errors. They were the 6 successful inserts and 12 errors. They got 12 errors, right?
Okay.
View success. This is a success. This is what? Success.
Success. Yeah.
Okay, open external program. This is the successful. Failure is not displayed. Failure is not displayed. Why it's failure? Why it can be failure? 18 users. Okay, 6 successfully inserted and 12 errors is there. Okay, clear, Augustus?
Yes.
How to insert the data and how to delete the data, you can see.
Okay, yeah, but you just passed update. What's update? We just did insert.
Update,
What's update?
update and upset both are the same. Okay, if you insert the in the rating value, you can change it any value. You can change the any value. It can be updated. It can be updated. Okay, the warm place you can replace any value. Sorry.
While it's still in the CSV file, or while it's, I mean, when do you update? Is it when it's in Salesforce? When you've already merged it into Salesforce, or is while it's still in the CSV file in your Excel?
No, 1 second. Already some records is there. Already some records is there. Okay.
Yeah.
I want to change the in this record the DL10. The DL10 I want to change the rating home place to hot. Click on the save. I replace the warm place to hot. Okay, DL10. Okay, how to change on it? Just click on the update account. I replace the warm place to hot. Okay, browse.
Okay.
Account. Click on next. Okay. Auto matching. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay. Zero successful. Augustus, you understood, right? How to insert the data and how to update the data.
Yeah, I saw the update, but that's only one record. I mean, if you want to update 50 records, is it the
Yeah.
same thing?
Yeah, like the same time, same thing.
Okay, so you will not check insert, you will check update, and it will allow you to update a large number. Okay, upsert. What about
Large
upsert?
numbers. Upsert and update will be both are the same.
Same thing.
Same.
Okay,
Okay.
then delete. You're going to say delete.
Yeah. 1 second. The data loader is closed on it. Just a moment. Okay, login successful. Back. Login successful. Cancel. Delete operation. Before going to this delete, I need to export the data. I need to export the data. Okay. Why I am export? Because of how many records you can delete on it. If you want to delete the 1000 records, okay, one by one you can select and you can delete. It can be easily select. Just click on the delete button. It can be easily in 1000 records at a time. You want to delete. It can easily. No, right?
Yes.
So at the moment using on the delete operation, before going to this delete, and which fields in a account, on which fields, on which data you want to delete, on which fields and which data you want to delete. Okay, first to select on it. And one more important question is there. What is the difference between export and export all? What is the difference between what is the export and export all?
Export all. That is
Export means what are the available records in the Salesforce object. It can be export on it. Okay, the export option will be used on what are the available records in the Salesforce object we can use on it. Okay, in export all using on this, in available Salesforce records, in available records in Salesforce object, as well as in recycle bin also they have one record is there na? In recycle bin also some records is there. Okay, that records also we can fetch on it.
Under export all.
Yes.
So export all means everything that's deleted and everything that's in the recycle bin.
Yeah. If you delete some records that can be kept on the recycle bin up to 15 days. After 15 days, the records automatically deleted. After 15 days, the records is automatically deleted, right?
Yes. Yes.
Likewise, if you want to fetch recycle bin, before deleting in the recycle bin, in the exporter also we can fetch the data. We can fetch on this data. Okay.
Okay, but export all will pick if it's recycle bin for only 5 days, it will not export it. I mean,
No. Just 1 second. If you delete any records, okay, if you delete any records, for example, in account object, you deleted on 10 records. Okay. But in your as your business requirement, client will ask about the how many records you can delete it and how many available records is there. I want the data. How to achieve on it? By using on data export. by using a data export. Okay. Hello.
Data export or export all? Which one is it?
Yes. Yes. Data export all means data export all uses is if you want to recycle data as well as available data in Salesforce object, you want to export on it. Clear?
Okay. Okay. But the records in the recycle bin should be within 0 to 15 days.
Yes, 15
Correct?
days. After 15 days in the export all data also it can't be fetched.
Okay, it cannot be
After
fed.
15 days it can't be fetched. If you are
Okay.
available in both recycle bin as well as in Salesforce object, then it can be fetched. Otherwise it can't be fetched.
What's the difference between upsert and insert?
Sorry?
Upsert, the upsert, and I
Upsert and
mean,
insert.
yes.
These both are the I mean, I hope actually in the upsert, I don't know, but I will tell you before going to this thing. I will tell you. Okay.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
Okay. Export. Choose object and where to extract on it. Where to extract on it. Desktop. Choose on the file name. Choose on the file name. Next. They have the query. They have the query means on which fields you want to fetch, on which fields you want to delete the data. I need to delete the account name. I need to delete the account name. Okay. I need to delete the account name. Next, industry, ID, and phone, and rating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 fields I want to delete on it. These 5 fields I want to delete on it. Only 10 records. Only 10 records I want to import on it. Okay.
Okay.
Just click on the finish. Yes. Operation in progress. Ten successful records will be extraction. View extraction. You see on this one.
Yes.
So now you need to delete the data. Now you need to delete the data. Just click on the delete option. Choose the object. Already you extract the data, right? Already you export the data. Just browse desktop and or otherwise this one is all right. Once again, where it can be stored. Let's check. Okay, here is there. Okay, it can't be extracted. Fine, again I export on it. Account.
Industry, did you get that?
Yeah, I get it on the ID, industry name,
Okay.
code, ready.
Okay.
Okay. Ready for records is there. Extract on the CSV. Click on OK. Mapping. Choose an ID. Choose an ID. Why we choose an ID? Because of every record we have one unique ID, right?
Yes.
Every record we have one unique ID. Is that movement we fetch on this ID? Just click on OK. Click on the next. See, in the process is successful or failure. Just given one director file. Finish. Yes. Yes. Our 34 files is also deleted. Okay. These records are deleted. Okay. Let's check it. Accounts. Go for all accounts. See how many records? 9 records is there. 9 records is there.
Yes.
In the recycle bin, they have these records are deleted. Yeah, these records is deleted. Okay.
Yes.
Again, I need to restore on it. I need to restore on it. Accounts. Again, our old records also it can be there. Okay. And the last option is there, that is the hard delete. You find this one?
Yes.
Hard delete. When you're using the hard delete, when you're using if you're using the delete option, if you delete the records, the recycle bin is available, right?
Yeah.
Correct. But if you're using on the hard delete, the recycle bin also is not there. complete deleted, complete at a time. Salesforce record and reset bin also, both of the records is deleted by using a hard delete option.
You said hard delete is
By using
deleting everything on your record and everything that is already in the Salesforce recycle
yes,
bin.
in Salesforce. Yes, Salesforce recycle bin also.
Okay, so whether what is in Salesforce recycle bin belongs to 10 other different users, they put it, I didn't put it, they put it in recycle bin. If I do hard delete, it will take everything that they put in the recycle bin. You understand what I'm asking?
Sorry, again.
Okay, I'm asking you is, if I, a user, if I do hard delete and
Okay.
10 other users in the business, they have deleted things in the recycle. If I do hard delete, will it delete everything I put in the and everything they put in the recycle bin?
If you're using on a hard delete to delete the records, entire Salesforce organization, that records is not available. In recycle bin also, it's not available.
All right. Okay. So it takes everything in the organization.
Yeah. How to delete on it? Just see hard delete. Choose the object. See, already error message is there, na? You need to bulk API hard delete user permission to permanently delete the data. Permanently delete the data. Okay. Browse.
So you can't just do hard delete. Anybody can just not do hard delete.
Yes. Extract one. Just open. Next. Okay. ID. Drag and drop. Okay. Next. See, they have given you about the permanent delete data. It can be undone. Records will not be available. Recycle bin also. Recycle bin also it can be available.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
Just click on the finish, but it can't be processed.
Okay.
It can't be processed. Why? Just read on this error message.
You need the bulk API hard delete user permission to permanently delete records.
Means if you're using on the hard delete option in system administrator also it's not be available. In system administrator also it can't be accessible. Let's check on it. Let's check on it. Setup. Manage users. Profiles. The profile, go for system administrator profile. Click on system administrator. Control F. Hard delete. See here you find on a hard delete option. Find a hard delete in the checkbox is enable or disable.
Disabled.
So it can't be accessed, right?
When it cannot be, you said, right?
Yes. So at the moment, we given for this permission set. We created one permission set and assigned to this profile. And assigned to this profile.
Okay.
So how to create on it? Let's see. Go for the permission sets. You see on this. You see this one?
Where?
Permission sets. Permission set.
Yeah.
Just click on the new. Or delete permission set. Or delete permission set. Just click on the cell. Or delete permission set. Go for this system. Go for the system permissions. Go for the system permissions. Click on the edit. Click on the edit. Control F. Click on the hard delete. You find on the hard delete option. You find this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just check on it. Just click on it. Click on the save. Click on the save. The permission is saved and manage assignment means this permission set is assigned to this on which profile? On which profile? Assigned to this add assignment means how is this system administrator. System administrator.
Wow,
Okay.
that's a
Assign.
long process. Yeah.
Yes, done. Because of this is a very hard delete assignment means this is very crucial process na, very daily sensitive process.
Okay. Permission sets to.
Okay.
Okay.
Then go for the hard delete option. Hard delete. Choose one. Browse. Extract one. Open. Next. Okay. Create an edit. ID. Okay. Next. Understood. Finish. Okay. See, 25 records will be deleted and 9 will be error. Some error occurs. 25 records will be deleted. Just check on it. Accounts. Previously 25 records is there, 22 records is there. Here how many records?
9.
9 records is there. 9 records is there. Why we delete on these 9 records means because of this is the standard records. This is what? Standard records. Salesforce by default created on these records. Okay.
So you cannot
Salesforce what
delete
they,
it.
yes, if you check on the recycle bin also, they have no records.
Oh, okay.
So
But
you
what about
understood
the
about the
25? So where's the 25?
25 records is deleted, na?
Oh, okay. Those
25
25 have
records is
already been.
completely deleted.
Okay.
Completely deleted.
Okay.
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 So I understood about the what is the data import wizard and data loader in my domain, right?
Yes.
Hopefully. Okay, Augustus. Shall I close the class?
Okay.
Already it's 12 p.m. Okay.
No problem. We will not be here tomorrow. We'll be back on Monday.
Yes, Monday.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, fine.
You have
Okay,
a good
have
one.
a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.